Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Expedia app not opening. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Then, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Expedia, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it again. Then, restart your phone to refresh the system and fix temporary issues. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store and search for Expedia. Then make sure that the Expedia app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. Outdated versions may fail to open properly. Now, if the issue proceeds, go ahead and long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After that, go to the App Store, search for Expedia, and then reinstall the app. It will remove the corrupted files and gives you the latest versions. Now, if it still does not open, the issue may be from Expedia's server, so wait a while and try again. That's how you fix the Expedia app not opening. Subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.